But in the last, my father go to the land land kuning, yellow ya, yellow land itu ya. In
Ah,
go to the early morning, yes,
wow, amazing. Wow, that's amazing. Until today,
yes.
is he still teaching in that school, Mr. Helmi?
No, no, it's has retired in
Oh,
the 97, 19, yeah, 17. Yeah, it's a long
17. Oh,
time.
yes. Oh, not 17. So it's around 4 years, yeah. Okay. Oh, 4 years. 4, 6, 7, yeah. Around
Yes,
7 years.
yes,
Ah.
6 year.
Wow, I cannot imagine that. I mean, like he commute from Sidoarjo to Surabaya every day. Like, yeah, I was also like that in that past when I was a university student. I commute from Sidoarjo to Surabaya. Hmm. I cannot imagine that. You know, Rani and Akbar, we have lecture. Her is Miss Mem. Aduh, Mem Raras. Mem Raras always commute from Malang to Surabaya. Do you know her? With the short hair, Rani and Akbar. Maybe you know Mem Raras.
We didn't really know her because maybe we haven't class with her, right, Akbar?
Hmm. Like
And then I knew
uh-huh.
that her always like have an online class. Maybe
Oh,
Akbar want to explore. I don't really know about her a lot.
um, yeah, itu Mem Raras always commute. So when I was still in university, yeah, she had a lot of classes with me, and she always commute and never late. Even though from Malang to Surabaya, she never late. Like I was really shocked. That's why when I commute from Sidoarjo to Surabaya, I think that I cannot complain about that because if I see her, Membraras from Malang to Surabaya every day, like oh my God, totally something. Okay, amazing, yeah, so amazing. Okay. Um. Oh yeah, Rani, can you please? Tadi finish or not yet? Yeah, I forgot about that, Rani. Finish or not yet? Or maybe Mr. Hami want to ask
Ini.
something again to Rani? Please, you can ask, or maybe Akbar, you can ask. Everyone actually you can ask, yeah. Every time we discuss about something, we can ask anything. No question again. No? Okay. Okay.
No,
Mr. Hami, you want to ask something?
no,
Oh,
no,
okay. Okay, next is Akbar, Akbar's turn. Akbar, please tell us about a restaurant or cafe that you like. What is it like? Where is it? And how often do you go there?
Cafe. I don't like go to the cafe, I think. But if my friend apa ya ngajak itu apa kayak ngajak
Invite?
itu baru
Invite?
ya. But if my friend invite me, so itu baru I'm follow there follow them. Ya.
So what kinds of cafe do you like to visit?
Maksudnya kafenya kayak apa gitu?
Yeah, like yeah, something like if you said that, oh, of course it is a cozy cafe, but how is cozy cafe? Yang kayak gimana sih misalnya? Give the example. Maybe the color, you love something like that, or I don't know, like the concept of the cafe,
Sorry.
outdoor, indoor, like that.
don't like coffee, but because me is ini anak rumahan gitu Kak.
Yeah, you love stay at home, yeah. Even though it is
Iya,
not COVID, you love to stay at home.
yes.
Oh, so when we face COVID, you were happy because you just stay at home, right? Did you like were you
Ah,
happy? Iya kan kayak you stay at home all day and it's okay.
yeah, I'm happy, but if about pelajaran or like study, but I'm feeling boring.
Bored,
I,
bored. I feel
yeah,
bored.
I feel bored, and
Mm.
I don't apa ini kayak menangkap ini loh Kak, nggak paham gitu kalau
Okay.
kon-
So hard for you. Wait, when it was Corona, then you were still in senior high school, grade 3, right? Yeah, yeah, Akbar.
grade
Corona.
grade
Yeah.
1
How, Akbar?
grade 1 until 3.
Really?
Yeah, in semester 2 grade 1 until semester 1 grade 3.
Oh my God. Wow. Yeah, yeah. It's actually like more than 2 years, yeah. Wow. Of course, it's so hard for you actually, that first one. Okay, but then
Yeah.
yeah, it's okay. But then yeah, it's okay. Yeah, we cannot say anything again, right, about that one. Okay. Okay, Akbar, thank you so much. Maybe someone wants to ask something to Akbar, please ask. No question. Akbar so happy if there is no question for him. Okay. Okay, now I will discuss I will explain about wait, I will explain about this one because the lesson that we have today not just only about the perfect cast, about the restaurant, but then we also learn the difference between adjective and also the adverbs. Anyone like has the idea what the difference between adjective and also the adverb? Maybe if you can explain, please explain that. Mr. Helmi, Rani, Akbar, please. Maybe you can explain. Oh, adjective is this one, adverb is this one. The difference is blah and blah finish. Like that one, please. No one want to explain? Okay. If there is no person who want to talk about that one, wait, I will copy that, yeah, because before discuss, I already discussed about this one. So I just want to copy this right now. Okay. So let me tell you first what is adjective and also adverb. If you talk about English, yeah, if we discussing English, of course, we need to learn about part of speech. So we need to discuss about what is part of speech. And actually, if we talk about part of speech, we can talk about the noun, the adjective, the adverbs, and the other things. And if we discuss about adjective and also adverb, we can say that those are part of speech. Jadi masih bagian dari part of speech ya. But then, of course, the function is different because adjective and adverb are different, right? When you talk about the adjective, remember that adjective always relate to noun. Jadi adjektif itu selalu berkaitan dengan kata benda. When we talk about something, and we want to combine like adjective and noun, it become noun phrase. Jadi biasanya kita tuh mengkombinasikan, we combine the adjective and the noun because what? The function of adjective is to explain the noun. For instance, we have the word like a handsome boy. Wait, handsome boy. Okay, you can see here if actually you combine handsome and the boy. And if you take a look at the meaning, okay, if you're discussing about the meaning is actually like which boy? Cowok yang mana sih gitu? Oh, yang handsome. Okay, so adjective has a function to explain noun, untuk explaining noun. Okay, and usually if you talk about the adjective, it's also dealing with this one. Usually, we use adjective after to be, like to be is MR, was were, up to you. For instance, she is cute. This one, cute is the adjective, and we want to describe her, she as someone who is cute. Jadi kita mendeskripsikan dia ini orang yang mana, yang cute, like that one. Okay, so when you use adjective, it is like that. Pertama, combining adjective and also the noun, and the second, to be plus adjective, just that, okay. And then the next we talk about adverbs or kata keterangan. Nah, for adverbs tuh kok kayak gini, bentar. Kok begini ya? Dulu. Harusnya enggak begini. Oke. If we talk about adverbs in English and in bahasa, I think the same. Jadi adverb bahasa Inggris sama bahasa Indonesia tuh for me is the same ya. I mean like ya kita punya itu gitu. Sama-sama punya. The first we have manner. The second kita punya yang frekuensi, ini tentang frekuensi. Yang ketiga about the place, and the last about the time. Actually, it's very possible to have another adverbs. It's also possible. But then, okay. Now let me discuss about manners. If manners itu tentang kayak begini. In bahasa Indonesia kita biasanya bilang kayak dia menyanyi dengan sangat bagus lah. Dengan bagus ini adalah manners. Jadi biasanya adverb of manner is used to explain the verb. Jadi misalnya nyanyinya kayak gimana? Ya bagus gitu, beautifully. Okay, so wait. If we talk about manners, kita biasanya tuh mengkombinasikan adjective with ly. Ini. Jadi manner itu adalah ini, adjective with ly. Like slowly, beautifully, perfectly, dangerously, like that. Itu adalah manners ya. Jadi memang kalau manners itu pokoknya adjective tambahin ly. Nah, kita juga punya namanya adverbs yang dia itu lebih ke emphasizing something untuk what is emphasize ya? Wait. Emphasize is menekankan sesuatu. Misalnya kayak he is extremely handsome. Jadi kayak kita ngomong sesuatu kayak sangat itu, menekankan sesuatu itu kayak kata sangat, itu kita biasanya bisa pakai adverb, tapi agak beda cara penggunaannya. Itu adalah misalnya ya extremely itu diikutin oleh kata sifat adjective, like he is extremely handsome. But it's like this one, okay? Jadi itu caranya. Dia juga sama, dia dari adjective ditambah dengan ly. Cuman be careful. If you talk about manners yang ini, yang atas ini ya, yang pakai adjective ly tapi yang kayak slowly, beautifully, itu letaknya di ending kalimat biasanya gitu. Misalnya, he runs slowly. Nah, this one. Jadi dia letaknya di ending-ending. Kayak bayangkan aja kita ngomong bahasa Indonesia kayak dia merapikan tempat tidur dengan baik lah kayak gitu. Kata-kata dengan baik itu kan selalu taruh di ending, sama kayak dalam bahasa Inggris, that's the same thing. Tapi kalau untuk yang ini saya merahin aja ya. itu dia letaknya tuh biasanya di tengah-tengah, kayak he is extremely handsome, kayak gitu-gitu tengah, dan dikombinasikan dengan adjective. Don't forget about that. Kemudian kita punya yang frekuensi, itu relate sama kalau if someone asks you about how often, seberapa sering kamu, usually we have like like answer. For instance, we say like I always, I usually, I often, and also sometimes. Okay. And then how to say that, like she usually goes home late. This one, the example. The way you use usually is always near the subject and also the verb. And the next, of course, we have the place and also the time. I think it's so clear enough. So if you talk about the place, yeah, you relate that with place. And if you talk about the time, it relates to time, something like this. Like this is the example. And it's sometimes it can be in the forefront of sentence or in the last of the sentence. But actually for English, better in the last of the sentence, like that one. Okay, just that. And in common, yeah, we can say in common, yeah. In common, if we talk about adverb, it deals with verb. Jadi biasanya kaitannya tuh lebih ke kata kerja, itu adalah adverbs. Oke, jadi don't forget, intinya ini, verb sama adverbs. Habis itu kalau dia yang pakai ini, yang merah ini, dia harus pakai adjective ya, extremely handsome, something like that. Okay, finish question. Wait, oh my God, shock. Okay, question, everyone, please ask question first. Or maybe it's too long. My explanation is too long. No question. I think it's very easy actually. When you talk something, I believe you already, know about that, like how you use it and others. But if you have question, let me know first. Okay? No? I think no question. Okay. If no question, now let's discuss about this one. So what you need to do, please choose whether, the answer should be adjective or it should be adverb. Okay, start from Mr. Helmi, please. Number 1. Oops.
Okay. It was only a small village, but it had a great restaurant.
Okay, how do you know that the answer is great, Mr. Helmi?
Because great is adverb ya, istilahnya.
It's adjective.
Yes,
Yang ini,
it's
yang ini, adjective. Untuk menjelaskan apa?
restoran.
Okay, so great. Jadi great itu menjelaskan restoran dan great adalah adjective. Very good, Mr. Helmi. Thank you. Next, Akbar, please, number 2.
Everything on the menu was incredible fresh.
This one or this one or this one or this one. Okay. Which one?
I think incredible.
Incredible. Okay. Incredible, bleu. Kata bleu gini ya. Kan ini bedanya bleu sama bli. Yang adjektif yang mana, Akbar? Which one is adjective?
Is in yang pertama, Kak.
Yang pertama adjektif. Oke, jadi Akbar ini, terus di sini ada kata fresh. Apakah boleh kita mengkombinasikan seperti ini dengan ini? Ini adjective and also the adjective. Incredible fresh. Kalau kita lihat tadi, what I said before, if you have the adjective here, like this one, ini kan di akhir gini ya. So, I think it relates to this one, yang merah. Jadi, fresh ini harusnya pakai incredibly. Nah, like this one, Akbar. Jadi tuh, incredibly itu kan You know incredible itu kan artinya kayak wow gitu ya. You can say like ini tuh sangat fresh, very fresh. Like what I said before, it's like emphasizing something untuk menekankan sesuatu. So we have to use like this one ya, incredibly, bukan incredible ya. Mana ini? Ya, incredibly fresh. Oke.
Kok Akbar sebutnya incredible ya, Kak?
Oh ya, why? If incredible, itu kamu tidak perlu pakai ini. No fresh. Like the menu was incredible. Tapi karena di sini ada kata fresh nih, ada kata fresh. Kayak misalnya ya tadi kayak kata-kata he is extremely handsome. Not he is extremely handsome, but we need to put the adverb in extremely handsome like that one. Sama kayak ini. Jadi dia tuh incredibly yang pakai ly itu adalah penekanan. Jadi bukan benar-benar real real kayak kata beautifully begitu ya, tapi kayak penekanan sangat fresh like that one. Like that. Apa? Ya, jadi kalau misalnya blur tadi nggak pakai fresh. Like that. Tapi kan dia ada freshnya, you need to put adverb. Ini pokoknya sama kayak yang merah ini ya, Akbar ya. Emphasizing something. Oke. Next, Rani, number 3.
Good. It's very good.
Okay, it's very good. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Yeah, it's good. Ya, pasti. Yeah, the answer is good. Wait. Okay, the answer is good ya. Kalau well, itu punyanya adverbs ya. Like I study English very well, like that one. Tapi di sini karena the service was, ini ada to be-nya. Mana tadi to be? Iya, to be kan harus pakai adjective. Very good, Rani. Next, Mr. Helmi, number 5. We have quick and quickly.
Oh, my Italian is
Oh iya ya ini ya, sorry.
terrible.
Terrible. Oke, jadi pakai yang ini. Oke, terus kalian Mr. Helmi sama yang ini 5 ini?
And the waiter spoke very
Mhm.
very quick.
Quick or quickly?
Sangat cepat.
The waiter spoke very. Jadi yang dibahas itu apa ya? Quickly itu, yang quick sama quickly itu apanya, Mr. Helmi? Waiternya atau berbicaranya?
Spoke-nya.
Ya, spoke-nya ya. Berarti harus ini kan spoke itu adalah verb. Jadi dia tuh menjelaskan si verb. Berarti pakai yang quickly. Like that one. Oke, jadi sama kayak yang terakhir tadi kayak gini. Ini. In common itu selalu adverb itu explaining about the verbs like that one. Oke, jadi quickly. Oke, untuk yang nomor 4 tadi sudah benar ya. My Italian is terrible. Jadi bahasa Italianya itu nggak bagus, itu bad ya, it's so bad. And the waiter spoke very quickly, sangat cepat gitu. Oke, next after Mr. Helmi, ya, Rani.
Yes. Then any guys permit just a
Oh,
moment.
yeah. It's okay, Mr. Helmi. Okay. After Mr. Helmi, is it Rani or Akbar? I forgot suddenly.
Akbar, right?
Oh, Akbar. Akbar, please, sorry. Number 6, Akbar. But I read the menu, blah, 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 blah.
That I read the menu carefully.
Oke, carefully. Kenapa carefully, Akbar? Dia menjelaskan apa? Apanya yang carefully, Akbar?
Read the menu.
Read, ya, reads-nya. Jadi membacanya tuh carefully. Oke. Akbar, next number 7.
And understood most of it. I had some wonderful pasta.
Wonderful pasta. Jadi apanya yang wonderful, Akbar?
Pastanya.
Okay, so great. So you need to put adjective. Okay. Rani, the last, yeah, 8 and also 9, Rani.
Delicious.
This is
8.
delicious. Okay, very good. And then
9 is absolutely.
absolutely. It's okay, absolutely fantastic. Ini sama kayak yang tadi ya, incredible sama incredibly tadi ya. Jadi kalau di sini ada kata fantasticnya, maka kita pakainya adalah absolutely, absolutely, something like that. Oke, jadi untuk penggunaan adverb and adjective itu intinya, the main thing is if you use adjective, it is for explaining noun. Oke, adjective itu untuk kata benda. But if you talk about adverb, it talks about the verb. Jadi verbnya tuh ngapain? Kenapa? It's like that one. Okay? So that's an example. Kalau yang tadi ini, what I said to you, yeah, I know that it's so long, yeah, discussing about this so long. Satu lagi ya, one thing. Di sini kan ada kata-kata mana tadi? Look. Which one is look? Yang punya Rani tadi. This one. Look delicious ya, look. Jadi kalau kamu you guys use some linking verbs, the example is like this. Like this one, like linking verbs like be, look, smell, taste, feel, hear. It's very okay to use adjective. Oke, be itu to be ya. Jadi pakai to be, pakai kata look, smell, taste itu semua nggak apa bisa pakai ke adjective. Something like that. Okay, guys. So that's all that I want to discuss with you. If you have any question, let me know. You have question? Want to ask me?
Not yet, Kak.
Why not, Akbar? You can ask me first.
Belum ada.
Okay then. Okay. So if there is no question, we can dismiss the class for today. Hopefully we can meet again next meeting on Thursday, yeah, at 7:30 as usual.
Miss Diana, this day I'm permit not join course ya, because I'm training at Jakarta, still at Jakarta.
Okay, Mr.
I'm at
Hanmi.
a plan, I think. Yes.
Okay, thank you for the information.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, everyone. So we can dismiss the class for today. We can meet again next week on Thursday, yeah. So see you next meeting. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you
Yeah,
so
thank
much.
you.
Yeah, thank